Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing this Sephora holiday vibes. This is their I believe their advent calendar, one of their advent calendar. So if you guys are interested for this kind of video, please stay tuned. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I do makeup and skincare reviews. It's all about beauty. I'm down for it. So let's go started to unbox this one. I bought this one in their 30% off sales during their holiday sales event, which is already done. And this is retail value is $25, and the value on all of this products are $60. This is how it looks like at the back. You will see in their website how are the inside of them, what the products are, so it's not like kind of a mystery box like the other brands doing. And you can open it here or you can open it here, so I'm going to open it here just to wait. I will try my best to, there you go. So the first box is number 26, which is, I don't know why it's 26. so I believe this is their kind of the version of 12 days of beauty, Sephora style. And the first products are a nail, what is this? I think this is a nail file. You can buy this like a 50 cents in a Dollar Tree. It's too tiny. And then the second one is like a nail polish in color like red, I guess. It's even. So here it is, and the nail file. Yeah, and then nail polish. It's not even big. So here it is. So this one, it is 5 ml or 0.16 fluid ounces. So I will keep this one because I will do like an advent calendar style, my style. So I will keep some of these. And then number 27, box number 27, I have the Sephora watermelon body polish. So maybe like a body soap, body what do you call this, body polish. So it's like a, what do you call those? Why am I like mental blacking thing? Yeah, like a soap thing you can use on your skin or whatever. So this one, it is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounces in here. And then the next one is these Sephora VOLC, their bright skin exfoliating scrub. So basically it exfoliates your skin and plus smooth it. So I think this is like a volcanic one. Yeah, it's a volcanic sand. And it does have 15 ml or 0.50 fluid ounces. And then the next one, number 28 or box number 28, are, wow, they really folded them like this. So the first one, it is a hydrating watermelon eye mask, and it is like 91% maybe ingredients from natural origin. I believe this is either like $3 or $4 in their website. I will link everything here, or if I can see it in their website. And it is only one pair. And then the next one is this one. This is their Sephora green tea face mask, and it's only one sheet here, and this is for mattifying and anti-blemish. I think these are more like skincare products, so later on I will compare it, the Ulta Beauty and this ones, which one are the best ones, which one can you buy. And box number 29, I have the colorful glitter. This one, it is 1.2 grams or 0.042 ounces. And the next one, it is a mini crayon. I believe this is black. Yeah, it's black, matte black, and it does have 0.7 grams or 0.025 ounces. So here it is. I don't know where I did put my sharpener, so there's like an old-fashioned eye pencil or eyeliner pencil that you can buy at the store. Like maybe this is only 50 cents. So if you're gonna go to the store, it's like $1. I believe they still have those in Wet n Wild. Yeah, Wet n Wild. I guess you can buy one of those, or if you guys have like NYC, those are good too. I don't know if they're still available, but I believe they still have it like in New York City or something like that. So this one, it is like kind of drying. It can be a highlighter, or it can be a eyeshadow topper. Box number 30. Box number 30. I have their so for the box number 30, I have these two. The first one, it is their colorful matte blush. This is how it looks like. And this one, it does have 3.5 grams or 0.12 ounces. Dang, I can't even open it. So here it is. And it does have a mirror, which is nice. So I believe this is like a universal color for everyone. So here it is. You guys can't even see it on my skin, but we will swatch it here and see how it is. So it is very light. You can even see on my medium tone. So we will try it here because you can see it here. So this one, it can only show like in a fair or light skin tone, as you guys can see. In here you can't even tell. And then the next one, I have the vanilla lip balm, and this one, it does have 3.5 grams or 0.123 ounces. And the packaging, it is like kind of the same as their hashtag lip stories, and this is how it looks like. This is how much product you can have. It smells like, do you guys know the old-fashioned makeup scent? That's how the scent is. Box number 31. I have the Haya super hydrating, I don't know what it is. Maybe it is like a cream, moisturizing cream, like hydrating cream. It's not that a lot. So smells fine. Lastly, I have this coal nose strip. That's it for you. You guys already seen the stuff in here. Based on the ones that I've got from the 12 days of beauty from Ulta, these are more on the skincare side compared to the Sephora. Compare it to the Ulta Beauty, they are more on the makeup side, which I am going to show you guys later on. I'm going to put them in the table and which one are compare them. So here they are. These are the 12 days of beauty minus the under eye patch, because I already used them for my try on. We have the Sephora collection advent calendar that we just unboxed or opened them. So here are the comparison. So the Sephora collection, the price is $25. And then for the Ulta Beauty 12 days of beauty, $20. If we're gonna talk about it, I've got the 12 days of beauty for $16, like 16 and 50 cents. And then this one, I believe it's either $22. Either one, they have a lot of great stuff, and I think that's it for you guys, and I'm going to do my outro. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and please consider to subscribe to my channel if you like to see more of this kind of videos, and thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.